Will this year's election have transparency and integrity? ZAC says they are almost ready and promise a free and fair election. CCC has been blocked from campaigning. Welcome back to your channel. So today we are looking at the update a presidential election. So my ballot papers for both presidential and national assembly according to ZAC are being designed. Kwango Sara, a few constituencies that have problems with candidates. For example, my candidates are rejected or that were voted out. There are 11,500 polling stations munyika yese, but that is odamburo so as to accommodate everyone. There are 11 presidential candidates for 23 August. At Sataziwa VSW 11, I guess we are going to just get surprised at our ballot box. 14 political parties for National Assembly, 67 independent candidates, and 55 madzimai. Hatisatitaziwa kune voters roll for now. ZANU PF campaigns have been successful. Magunje, Chipinge, Koromonzi, Mat South, Shurugwi. On the other hand, CCC has been blocked from campaigning Kubindura as their rally was deemed hazardous to people. Nekuti hakuna mvura, nema roads. Chivi rally was blocked by the police. On Wednesday, Chireza rally was blocked up by Vakadirwa tear gas. The police yaisa mitemo inorema so as to make it difficult for CCC to have a rally. Umeweklos yacho or not. In the event of any public disorder, the police or other emergency services would have challenges to access the venue due to unavailability of an official road network. As a result, our mandate to protect life and property and to maintain law and order will be compromised. So where you cannot campaign because hakuna my roads are official. So if the roads are dust and all, it means they cannot access such areas. We don't know who's responsible for doing the roads as well. Maybe Ndiwa with CCC. This is the update that we have so far about our presidential elections. 23 August, guys, it's going down. Let's go and vote. Be my Benji signing out.